AutoCAD or SolidWorks? Everyone argues about this. Here's the actual answer. AutoCAD is 2D. Layouts, schematics, fabrication drawings. If you are documenting something, AutoCAD. SolidWorks is 3D. You are building the part digitally, running simulations, watching it fail before you make it. If you are designing something, SolidWorks. Most engineers end up knowing both, but start with SolidWorks. The 3D thinking it builds makes everything else easier. AutoCAD you can learn in a weekend. SolidWorks takes real practice. Start with the harder one. Which did you learn first? Learn both at GageHow. If you pick the wrong CAD software, you will waste an entire year of your career. So let me help you choose between Creo and SolidWorks. SolidWorks is very easy to learn. You can drag and drop features, and most beginners feel comfortable within a few weeks. Creo is harder to learn in the beginning, but once you understand it, the level of control you get over your design is unmatched. Creo is used by big manufacturing companies like Bosch. SolidWorks is more popular in product design companies, startups, and consumer goods. So they are used in very different industries. If you want to work in core manufacturing jobs in India or Germany, then learn Creo. If you are interested in product design, freelancing, or working at a startup, then go with SolidWorks. It is that simple. And the good news is you do not have to choose just one. GageHow has courses on both Creo and SolidWorks.